Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the two different ways that you can go about setting up your PayPal business account, and you can do this by either switching a personal PayPal account over to a business account, or you can just set up a business PayPal account from scratch. I recommend the second option because it's often a good idea to separate your business and your personal spending, as well as potentially just having a different email that's associated with your business instead of just using your personal email. So that's why I just recommend starting from scratch with a new business PayPal account. But to find the area in your personal account, if you want to switch it over, starting from the summary page, what you want to do is click the little settings gear, which is here in the upper right-hand corner next to where it says log out. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And that's going to bring us over to our profile and account settings page. And this is where you'll find where it says upgrade to a business account. You click on this and then walk your way through the steps on switching over your personal account over to a business account. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you how to set up an account from scratch if you're not doing it from a personal PayPal account. So we're going to go back to the home page. And to set up this business account from scratch, what we do here from the homepage, and I'll link this webpage down in the description, you click where it says business to open up that tab. And then most of you are going to be doing small to medium businesses. Enterprise businesses have some options over here, but for small to medium businesses, go down and click where it says getting started. And then you can click sign up right here, or you can just scroll down and kind of read through some of the different things that they have here in terms of getting started, tools for growth, things such as that. And if you just keep scrolling down, actually, there's another button down here where you can click sign up for a business account. So either one of those areas should work just fine. So we click sign up. And then it takes us over to this page where it says sign up for a business account, enter the email address you'll use to sign up or log in with. So you enter in that email address right here and then click continue. And then you're going to enter in a password right here and then click continue. And that's going to take us over to this page where it's just going to ask some basic information about your business. We'll confirm your information to keep your account secure. So your business contact, you're going to enter in your legal first name, your legal last name. Your business details, you're going to enter in your legal business name, business phone number. You're going to enter in your business phone number, and then business address, you can enter that in right here. Your street, city, state, zip code, things such as that for your business. And then all the way down here at the bottom, it says you have read and agreed to the e-communication delivery policy, the user agreement, the privacy statement. You can look over those, and once everything checks out, you can go ahead and put a little check mark in this box, and then click agree and create account. And you should be good to go at that point in time in terms of initially setting up your business PayPal account. And then PayPal is going to send you over a message to the email that you had typed in for this account just to confirm that email. And then you can continue on to use the business PayPal functions that are going to be a part of your new business PayPal account. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.